Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Daphne O. I'm back with another video. In this video I will be making taco soup. It's a recipe that my sister did. She's made it for us several times. I didn't get the recipe from her because I didn't want to call and ask for the ingredients. Simply because I'm not going to make it the way she tells me to make it, and then it's going to be a whole argument on how I didn't do it right. But I did try to remember some of the stuff she used, and I went to Google as well and Googled up a couple of recipes. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this taco soup, just follow along on the video. Now I'll see you guys at the end. So these are the ingredients that I used. I used whole corn, Del Monte, but you don't have to use the brand that I use. You can use whatever brand you want. I got some chili beans, pinto beans, medium sauce. The Bush's brand come with hot, medium, and mild. I got the medium sauce. Some Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. Like I said, you don't have to use a specific brand. You can use whatever brand you want. Some whole tomatoes. And there's a second can back there, but I did not use that. And that was the chili beans. Some ground beef. I need to turn it around so y'all can see it. My sister did not use ground beef in her recipe. I got a yellow onion. All hers was vegetables, and you can use all vegetables. You can omit the meat if you want, but I wanted ground beef in mine. A green pepper. That's why I said I didn't call her for her recipe, because me and her will argue about it. And some water. Just about 2 cups of water. Because I don't never do stuff the way people tell me to do it. I always want to do it a little different. Some ranch seasoning, as well as some taco seasoning. Now, she also used the little green chilies in a can as well in her recipe. I did not use that because the Bush's chili beans were already spicy. You know, it already had a mild spice to it. And then the Rotel diced tomatoes already had chilies in it as well, so I didn't add any extra green chilies to it because I didn't want it to be too spicy, and it turned out to be just the right amount of spicy in reality. And here I'm just frying up the hamburger. You guys, I don't have no type of chopping skills. I just chop these onions and green peppers up all which ways. I ain't professional. I'll say that in all my videos. I ain't professional, but I mean, in the end, it still was good. I did come back with a bigger knife, and you will see that in a little bit, and chop them up just a little bit smaller because I didn't want like huge chunks inside of the taco soup. I'm adding my onions and my green peppers to my hamburger as it fries because I kind of want them to get a little soft and saute. When my soft and saute, you know what I mean. When my sister did it, she just added everything, all the ingredients together at one time. Like I said, she didn't use hamburger either, so she just added all her vegetables together at one time. But since I'm using hamburger, I wanted to add my onions and peppers with the hamburger and cook them down in the taco seasoning. I added just a drop of the water that was in that 2 cups of water here. Not a lot, just a drop, just to get the taco seasoning mixed real well with the hamburger. And here I am draining my ground beef. Most people drain their ground beef first and then they add their taco seasoning, which is what I usually do, but I forgot. So I'm draining it now, but it doesn't matter whether you do it before or afterwards. You need to drain. If you use ground beef in your taco soup, You definitely need to drain it to get all the excess oil out, because as you can see, there was right much excess oil. And I will have a little clip later showing you exactly how much oil came out when I fully let it drain. So I had to switch out into a bigger pot because that saucepan I had was just too small and everything wasn't going to fit in, because I still need to add my ground beef, which is what I'm doing here. So yeah, I switched out into a bigger pot. And now I'm going to add the rest of that water that was a part of that 2 cups of water to the pot. And then I'm going to finally leave and put on it and let it cook. Bring it to a boil. Takes about 10 minutes. And then after it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn it down and then let it cook for about 45-50 minutes. This is just a clip of all the oil that came out the ground beef when I was draining it. Okay, you guys, it is almost ready. It's been cooking for like 45 minutes. I might let it go just another 5 minutes. And then it'll be done. And I'll show you what it looks like, plate it all up. It smells like, oh gosh. Brain went blank. Chili. It really do. Okay, I got it all in a bowl, you guys. This is what it's looking like. It doesn't smell like tacos to me. When my sister makes it, it does smell like tacos. It smells like chili. Now I'm about to eat a nice bowl of chili. I'm gonna add some Colby Jack cheese to it. Nice and steamy and hot. My youngin' don't want it. She just said, "Ew, taco soup, that sounds yucky." That's what she says. Mix that cheese up in there a little bit. Let me try it. See what it tastes like. I might blow it there, guys. Ooh, it's hot. I'm trying to burn myself. Yeah, it's chili. This ain't no taco soup. I mean, it's good though. It's like some very good chili. Ain't no taco soup. Maybe I should have bought some tortilla chips or something to eat with it. But nevertheless, it's good. I wouldn't call it. Hey, you guys, I had to come back. This is the next day. I was a little disappointed yesterday because this does not taste like taco soup to me. It tastes like nothing taco. It tastes like chili. It's the next day and it still tastes like chili. The only difference is this is delicious. Like, I guess because it's sat overnight and all the flavors marinated together, it's like this is a delicious chili to me. It ain't taco soup, but it's delicious. It ain't my sister's recipe, so that's why it doesn't taste like hers. But it is delicious. You should try it out if you haven't already. We made it to the end of the video. I thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Bye.